Hello! Today we're going to be making some easy hors d'oeuvres for any occasion. First, we'll combine 1/4 cup of cream cheese with 1 tablespoon of blue cheese. I recommend using a small wedge of blue cheese that you crumble by hand. That should mix easier and have a more mild flavor. For the traditional pastrami roll-up, we'll lay 1 slice of Midamar's Halal beef pastrami and delicately spread our blue cheese mixture across both ends of the pastrami. We do this so the pastrami doesn't unravel on the plate later while it's being served. Next, we'll place a small dill pickle onto our cream cheese spread and wrap it up. If you don't like blue cheese, I'd suggest trying our Reuben-inspired pastrami wrap. For this, we'll start by lightly spreading cream cheese across a tortilla. Next, we'll layer 2 slices of deli pastrami, place 2 pickles, a thin strip of Thousand Island dressing, and 1 slice of Swiss cheese torn in half. Tightly wrap that up and set that aside. Our next iteration is more of a traditional style wrap. We'll start with a tomato basil wrap that we spread cream cheese on. Then we'll place a thin layer of spinach and 2 slices of American cheese. Next, we'll place 2 slices of our pastrami and wrap that tightly. Then we'll move on to our final variation. For this one, we'll start with a garden herb wrap and spread a thin layer of chive and onion cream cheese, 2 slices of Swiss cheese, 3 to 5 slices of pastrami, 2 dill pickles, and a thin layer of crispy fried onions. We'll tightly wrap that one and move on to the final stage. To get nice clean edges, trim off both sides of your wrap. Don't throw those away though, they make a nice little treat for the chef. We'll cut those into about 1-inch pieces. I found that a serrated blade worked best for the wraps, but poor the more traditional style. For those, I switched to a regular knife and they cut much better. And that's it for this recipe. If you'd like to try our pastrami, you can find a link to that in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's great recipe.